Did you know that over 60% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck? That means most people are just one unexpected bill away from financial disaster. But what if I told you there's a way out? I'm Kiana Spencer, a financial strategist, author, and entrepreneur. I've helped countless people break free from financial stress and build real wealth. In this video, I'm giving you a step-by-step plan to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, take control of your money, and start building financial security. Let's get into it. Step 1, track your money, know where your money is going. Problem: most people don't realize where their money actually goes. Solution: track every expense for 30 days. Action step: use a simple budget tracker, an app, or just write it down. Common mistake: ignoring small purchases. Those $5 to $10 daily expenses add up fast. Pro tip: categorize spending into needs, wants, and unnecessary expenses. This will help you see where you can make immediate changes. Step 2, stop living on credit and build a cash buffer. Problem: credit card debt keeps you stuck in the cycle. Solution: shift to cash debit for daily spending and start building a $1,000 emergency fund. Action step: cut one unnecessary expense and redirect that money into savings. Automate a small amount, $10 to $50 per week, into a separate account. Sell unused items or find a quick side hustle for extra cash. Pro tip: even saving $500 to $1,000 as a buffer prevents you from relying on credit for emergencies. Step 3, prioritize needs, not lifestyle upgrades. Problem: lifestyle creep when income increases, spending increases. Solution: delay unnecessary upgrades. Action step: before making any big purchase, ask yourself, will this get me closer to financial freedom? Keep fixed costs, rent, car, subscriptions as low as possible. Pro tip: if you get a raise, put that extra money towards savings, investing, or debt payoff instead of inflating your lifestyle. Step 4, create a spending plan, not just a budget. Problem: budgets feel restrictive and people quit on them. Solution: give every dollar a purpose. Action step: use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, rent, bills, groceries. 30% wants, entertainment, shopping, non-essentials. 20% savings and debt payoff. Pro tip: start small. Budgeting doesn't have to be perfect. The goal is to be intentional with your money. Step 5, increase your income strategically. Problem: cutting expenses alone isn't enough. You need to grow your income. Solution: find ways to earn more. Negotiate a raise. Monetize a skill. Start a side hustle. Action step: choose one way to boost your income and commit to it for 30 days. Pro tip: if you're serious about financial freedom, focus on high income skills and long-term wealth building strategies. Step 6, automate your savings and investments. Problem: saving what's left over rarely works. Solution: pay yourself first. Action step: set up an automatic transfer to savings every payday. Start investing with as little as $5 per week, index funds, Roth IRA, or real estate. Pro tip: even small amounts invested consistently grow into real wealth over time. Step 7, set a clear financial goal and stay committed. Problem: without a goal, money disappears. Solution: define what financial freedom looks like for you. Actionable steps: set a specific measurable goal like, I will save $5,000 in the next 12 months. Track progress weekly. Pro tip: make financial success fun. Celebrate small wins along the way. Escaping the paycheck to paycheck cycle isn't about making huge sacrifices. It's about making small, consistent changes that add up over time. If you follow this plan, you'll start seeing progress faster than you think. Check out my book, Cash Flow Unlocked, for more strategies on mastering your finances. Comment below, what's one financial change you're committing to this month? If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more money tips. And check out my next video on the top 5 money traps to avoid in 2025.